Everything you learned about cracking your knuckles is wrong. Many believe it causes arthritis, but large scientific studies show no link. A 2011 study on 215 people found no association between habitual knuckle cracking and hand osteoarthritis. Dr. Donald Unger even cracked only his left hand for over 60 years, with no arthritis difference. He even won an Ig Nobel Prize for his dedication to this one-man experiment. The sound comes from gas bubbles collapsing in your joint fluid, not bones rubbing. It's mostly carbon dioxide, and it's a natural release of pressure. Some past studies suggested minor issues like hand swelling or decreased grip, but these aren't consistent. So no, your grandma was wrong about this one.